Good morning, everyone. If you want more energy, better endurance, and stronger stamina throughout the day, this morning workout is perfect for you. You don't need a gym or expensive equipment, just your body, a little space, and consistency. Start your day with a 5-minute warm-up. Begin with light jogging in place, arm circles, and jumping jacks. This wakes up your muscles, increases blood flow, and prepares your body for the workout ahead. Next, move into bodyweight squats. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Squats strengthen your legs and core, which are essential for overall stamina and daily strength. After that, perform push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Push-ups build upper body endurance and improve muscular control. Now it's time for high knees. Do them for 30 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat this 4 times. This exercise boosts your heart rate and improves cardiovascular stamina. Follow with plank holds. Hold a plank position for 30 to 45 seconds, rest, and repeat 3 times. Planks strengthen your core and help maintain energy and balance throughout the day. Finish your workout with deep breathing and stretching. Stretch your legs, arms, and back for 5 minutes. This helps recovery and keeps your body flexible and relaxed. Doing this workout every morning can improve your stamina, focus, confidence, and overall fitness. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Start slow and build up over time. If you found this workout helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more fitness tips and daily workout routines. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.